Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 things you should know about using videos in Google Slides. Let's go ahead and get started here. You can see I have my blank Google slide set up right here. And the first thing you should know is how to insert a video into your Google Slides. And there's 3 ways that you can do that. So let's go to the Insert menu and select Video. And you can do a search for a video on YouTube right here. So you can see here, I'm already searching for a video about Ziplet, and I found one, and I can select it and insert it right into my slide. Now, the other way is to go to Insert, Video, and if you know the exact URL for a video, like I do here, you can paste that in and you'll see the video and you can insert it directly into your slide. And there it is. And we'll delete it. And the third option is to go to the Insert menu, select Video, and select from your Google Drive. Now I have one here that I stored in my Google Drive, and I want to insert it into the slides. So here it is. Here's the video I'm going to use in my slideshow, in my slide presentation. You can see I'm clicking and dragging to move it into the center of the screen. And now over here on the right-hand side, we can set our playback options. We'll see here we can play on click, which is the default setting. We can play automatically as soon as the slide loads, or we can play manually, in which case we'll have to click on the play button when we're presenting. I'm going to choose play on click. Now, I can also specify how much of the video I want to have played back. I can say start at 2 seconds, 2 seconds, and end at 12 seconds. And so we'll only show 10 seconds of that 14-second video. While I'm here, you'll also notice that I can mute the video as it's playing back, which is a good option if a video that you want to use has great visuals, but the sound quality isn't great, or you only need the visuals in your presentation and you want to talk over those visuals. Muting the audio on playback is a good option for you. But in this case, I'm going to leave the audio turned on. Now, while I'm here, it's important to note that if you are sharing your slides with someone else, so if you use the share option up here, and let's say I invite Mason to work on the slides with me, I'm going to make him an editor on the slides. I'm going to also need to make sure that I share this video file with him in my Google Drive. Otherwise, he won't be able to access the video. So you need to make sure that you also go into your Google Drive and share the video file as well as share the slides. Now let's look at how we can format the visual of the slide itself now that the video is in the slide. One of the things I like to do is I like to use the border option, and you can set a border around your video, and I can make it as thick as I would like, and I can change the color of that border, and I'll make it an orange border around that video. Now, I can also click on the slide here and go to my format options, and I can adjust the size and rotation of the video itself. I can lock the aspect ratio so that I always have the correct parameters, the correct scale of the video, no matter how much I shrink it or expand it. We can set a position here or just click and drag, and we can use a drop shadow around the video itself, and you'll see that drop shadow start to appear as I move it around here. And I can change the color of that drop shadow and make it a nice light blue drop shadow behind the video itself. Now, the last thing, the 10th thing that you should know about using videos in Google Slides has to do with when you actually present the video itself and present the slides. So I'm going to hit this present button up here in the upper right corner. And one of the things that's really great about Google Slides is that if you have, hey, this is not captioned your video, you can actually caption your video by using the caption function in Google Slides. So we'll see that caption function in the bottom right corner here, or bottom left corner, excuse me. And I'm going to open up that options menu, and let's look at our captions preferences, toggle captions. And now when I play the video, it will get captioned. Good start to your essay, but I would like you to take another look at your introduction and so those are 10 features of using video in Google Slides that you should know about. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com or subscribe to my YouTube channel.